just finished these lashes over here, and I'm about to show you how to do this. And I applied some bottom lashes too. So, if you want to see how I do this, you need to stick around. And these are individual. That's how they look. They're just little pieces of eyelashes, Mink. And I actually got these from Amazon. And this is a really long process, so I'm gonna speed the video up, but first I'm gonna just do a couple to show you how I put them on. So I'm gonna just take my glue palette and take it apart, stick this on my hand right here. And the glue I'm using is Ardell Professional. You can get this from your local beauty supply, and it is $3.99. Very affordable. So you want to just pour this on the glue palette just a little bit. You might want to stop and take a break. You never know, because it's very time consuming. So you might want to do this when you find some free time. Just sitting around the house, it's something to do, why not? I paid for this kit. This was a Mink eyelash kit. I paid for this around Christmas time last year, and I really don't use it much. I really don't. I'd rather just throw some lashes on. But if you're looking for like a natural look, boom, here you are. They look like they are my eyelashes. Yeah, so I'm using the 14M. I'm using the 14M. Comes in a little case like this, a little bunch of them. So you want to pick, I'm using these tweezers right here. I got some straight tweezers like these. They like small just like that with a point, but they go straight. But these are more easy to use because of the angle it gives you. So you want to just stick the end in the glue. The wide end goes in the glue, and you're gonna put it up to your eye. So just bear with me while I try to get you guys through this process. It's not easy, trust me. And then trying to record a video and do it as well, that's even harder than before. So that's really all you do. Just stick them on there. Go in and out of your real hairs. Make sure you're trying to put the eyelash on the actual strand of hair. If you don't want to if you put it in the wrong place, you know you don't want it there. 9 times out of 10 it's probably okay. It's not gonna hurt nothing. Sometimes they turn, like they'll flip the other way. That's why I keep having to take my tweezers and push them around. So let me show you real quick how I put the glue on. So I got my eyelash. It's already glue on this one, so I'm gonna just put this one on before it dries. And then I'm gonna show you. Okay, so you want to pick your eyelash up by the thin end. See this here? There is a wide end and a thin end. See, this end you can barely see it. It's right there. It's so thin, but this side is bigger, so you're going to use that side and you're going to stick it in the glue. I'm trying to do this so you can see it. Okay, you can see that. Just stick it in the glue. And oh, okay, that's better right there. And you kind of like just swipe like you draw it, and then you come over here and you place it where you want to put it at. It's a bit of glue on that one, but it's okay. So you just keep doing that until you get the quality you want, the thickness you want, and just try to put them in there neatly. I normally start off with trying to put them on each strand of hair, but as I go, I don't just go straight across to the corner of my eye. I just stay back here a little bit and just try to fill this area in before I move on to another area. But just kind of like fan it so the glue can dry, because I told you the glue dries really fast. I'm putting some more glue on here and I'm wiping it like that to get excess glue off. And I'm gonna go where it's kind of light, like right there it was light to me. When you're doing your own, you will understand what I mean by light, like it wasn't filled in good enough. I'm gonna speed this video up and just bear with me because this is a long process. So as you can see, I'm halfway finished with this eye. Only thing I didn't do was the inside corner, which is the same thing as this one. I really don't have lashes right here, so I didn't want to put none right there, but I guess I'm gonna put some right there, just some little ones, because I don't want these are too long to go right here, and I don't want them irritating the corner of my eyes. So excuse me. Right now I'm just gonna use this one right here, and I'm gonna use these for my bottom lashes. So that's what I'm about to be doing right now. And I'm gonna just come back to the top lashes later. I'm not gonna speed this part up, but I'm gonna show you how to do the bottom ones. Well, how I do my bottom ones. I'm trying my best, y'all. Okay, so those are going on there nicely. I kind of did that one crisscross right here because one of them is kind of going like this way, so I put the other one going that way. It look more natural because people don't be having like straight bottom lashes like that. See, I'm gonna go ahead and use these 8s in the corner of my eyes as well. I'm gonna have to finish till it dry. Okay. Put that one right there. Kind of just set it on there and pushed it down. I'm putting these literally either right. I'm putting them on the hair that's right there already. So everywhere you see one, there's an actual strand of hair right there. So it's not like I'm not putting this on my skin at all. It's on hair. And it's kind of like okay, you see how you can see through those right there? Yeah, that's how I want mine, because you're not supposed to put them on your skin. So if you do that, you're gonna pull the hair out from the follicle. Oop, I dropped one. And your eyelashes are not gonna grow properly anymore. And that's just some shit you don't want to do.